How to see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we'll show you how to see who took a screenshot of your Snapchat story. So now let's get started. To find out who has screenshotted your Snapchat story, whether it's public or private, first open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile screen. Once you're on your profile, you'll see all the stories that you have posted, and you can also check how many people have viewed your stories and how many have taken the screenshots. To proceed, tap on My Story option. And when you open the story you want to check, tap on the icons in the bottom left corner to see who has viewed it and who has taken screenshots. Please note that this information is only available for 24 hours while your story is viewable. So this applies to both private and public stories. And that's it. This is how you can see who screenshotted your Snapchat story. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.